Today I'm going to show you how to add a watermark in Microsoft Word document. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and also visit my Microsoft Word playlist of this channel to see more of these tutorial videos. So guys, basically there are two types of watermarks that you can insert in Microsoft Word. The first one is the text watermark and the second one is the picture watermark. So watch the video till the end. I will explain in detail both types of watermarks here and how to insert them in the Word document. So guys, in order to insert a watermark, for example, to this page here, first of all, you have to go to the Design tab here. And after you click on that, you will see an option Watermark. Click on that. And here you can choose different types of watermarks here. For example, here I'm choosing, let's go for this draft. But the problem with this watermark is that you cannot select this watermark, you cannot change the text of this watermark, you cannot add fonts to this watermark, nor you can add any different text or anything like that in this watermark. So that's the main problem of selecting some random watermarks from these options. So in order to edit your watermark, what you have to do is you have to go to this custom watermark option you can see at the bottom here. Click on that, and then now there's three options available: no watermark, picture watermark, and text watermark. So guys, in order to add text, like you want to add some different text to the watermark, you can also do that. So here, first of all, you have to type anything you want to add for a text in your watermark. Here I'm choosing let's go for wonder. So I want to use this text as a watermark to my document. You can also change the font style here. You can choose any of that. Let's go for Algerian. And then you can also go for diagonally or horizontal. So after selecting the diagonal or horizontal options, you can click on apply, and then you have to click on close, and you can see I have applied the watermark wonder. You can also change the color of this watermark. For that you have to again go to the watermark option and custom watermarks, and here you will see there is an option to change the colors. So you can choose different colors from these options, like you can go for this one here, click on OK. So guys, if you didn't like the color of this watermark, you can go to the custom watermark here, and here you will see many different options for standard colors, or you can go for more colors option here. And in the custom, you can choose many different types of colors. You can go for any of that, or you go for standard ones. You can choose green one here, and here you can select the horizontal option. You can also change the language of this watermark here. Let's again select the wonder, or you can also go for this horizontal tab, click on OK, and it will change the watermark from diagonally to horizontal and also change the color of your watermark. So now guys, I'm going to tell you how you can add a picture watermark here. So first of all, let's remove this watermark here, and now I'm going to add a picture watermark. So in order to do that, first of all, you have to go to this watermark tab, and here you will see an option custom watermarks. Click on that, and then you have to click on this picture watermark here. And if you have a picture already saved in your computer device, you can click on this select picture option, and after you click on that, it will take a while to open up. So guys, if you have saved the file in your computer, you can click on from the file, and here you can choose different pictures from your computer. Let's say I am choosing, let's go for this one here, and I want to insert this picture as a watermark. Click on insert, and after that I'm going to click on this apply option and click on close. So guys, you can see this watermark which I have added is so much transparent here that you can barely see that. So in order to highlight this watermark a little bit, you can go to this custom watermark here, and then you have to unselect this option wash out. Unselect this option and then click on apply, then close, and you can now see it will highlight the watermark in your Word document here. Or you can again go to this custom watermark, and you can choose different pictures. You can also search the pictures from the internet. So here click on this option here. So guys, there are so different types of pictures available. You can select any of that. You can go for yellow car, woman, winter, water, thank you, trees, vacation, vegetables, and there's so many options available. You can go for sunset here. You can take the pictures of this awesome sunset and use it as a watermark here. Or you can also select different types of flowers option, fish option, food option, ice cream option, and there's so many options. So here I will go for this books option here. You can select the books as a watermark. There's so many different images available for books that you can use for your watermark. Also, you can also unselect this option Creative Commons only to see more of these options available. Or you can also filter your photographs and images here. You can choose any of that. Or you can also type in some of the pictures here. You can go for, let's go for the rainbow, and let's select this watermark here, and let's insert in our Word document. Click on apply and then close. So it will show up this watermark. And if you want to reduce the transparency of this watermark, you can select this wash out option again, click on apply and then close. It will make the watermark transparent, guys. So guys, in this way you can add text watermark as well as the picture watermark. So guys, if you want to remove the watermark, if you have added the watermark by mistake and you want to remove the watermark, what you have to do is you have to again go to this watermark tab, and then you have to click on this remove watermark. Or this one more alternative to remove this watermark, you can also go to this custom watermark option, and there you will see no watermark. Click on that, and then you can click on apply, close, and it will remove the watermark from your Word document. So guys, in this way you can add the watermark or remove the watermark in Microsoft Word document. So basically watermarks are very helpful because it makes your document looks more impressive and professional. So I advise that you use watermark in your Word document. So guys, I hope you like my video. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notifications of my future videos. So thank you for watching.